Another Sound Around You video diary from inside the Printworks in Manchester. It's like a kind of an entertainment complex. You've got cinemas, restaurants, and some bars. Some questionable good times could be had in here if you like this sort of thing. But I'm going to do a quick soundscape recording because it's quite an interesting soundscape in here. It's quite quiet, but then you've got background music from some of these large speakers and this big screen behind me. But I'm going to do a little 10-second soundscape recording using the Project's mobile phone software. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's done. I'm going to upload that onto the Sound Around You map at